Hi everybody, today I am going to show you another Indian snack which is called aloo paratha. It is called potato chapati. In this what we do, we take few of potatoes and wash it 3-4 times nicely because of any pesticides or any mud. Everything should be washed properly. It should be washed 3-4 times so that all that is removed and it's clean. And when it is boiled, we put it in the cooker and around 4-5-6 whistles we give, and then it is nicely cooked. And then we peel out. After peeling out the skin, we have to mash it. Throw that water out. Don't use that water. So fresh water again. You wash the potatoes, the cooked potatoes, and then you peel out the skin. Only this. So once you peel out the skin and mash it, it will be something of this form. You can see how nicely I mashed it. Mash it in a very nice way so that no lumps are formed. And if there are a little bit small lumps also, don't worry about it. Nicely mash it. And then we go to the cooking counter. So wash it nicely. You have to mash it in a good way without adding any water. You can automatically this gets smashed with your fingers. You can feel it. Then after this, we will go to the cooking counter where I have taken little wheat flour. In that I add a little chili powder, little bit of turmeric, just very little, just little bit of 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, little bit of salt, and this potato mash. So I'm mixing all this together with little water in between. Little water. Don't add too much water because it's already a pasty. The potato mash is pasty and little bit of water comes out of it. So you just mix it little by little. It's a very tasty dish. You can have it with tea, hot tea, or you can have it with little pickle also at the side, or you can have it with, if there's a remaining potato mash, you can make a vegetable of it by adding a little oil and then cutting onions and all, tomato, and making it a little bit of vegetable dish, potato dish, so that you can have it as a side dish along with this paratha. So you add this little by little water, very little water you can add, and no need to and no need of much water added to this, but you can understand as you are mixing it, you will get the consistency that you will not need to add any water. See how nicely I have made it. It's nice, well kneaded. And then you add little bit of oil also and nicely massage it so that it is even. So it becomes a little smooth. Take out everything, whatever the flour is remaining down, and just make it like this. Little bit of massage it and cover it for around 5 to 10 minutes, maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Keep it aside. Now you can see how soft it has become, this dough, along with potato mash. So I took a little bit of this. It depends on what size you want, but I prefer it this size. And just take a little dry flour. Wheat flour is all made of wheat flour. I usually put it directly on the ota, which we call, or on the stone, because if I put a separate for rolling pin, if I put a separate thing and then roll it, I don't feel that comfortable. So this is more easier for me, because I can make, my hand is more free and I can make more of this. So the space is more for me. Space is important for me. The working space should be free. Whenever you make anything, you should have a good working space. So this is the size, and then whatever, if there is any flour, dust it off with your hands and place it on the tawa which is on medium. It's not very high. If you keep it on high, the paratha which is called the potato mashed paratha might get burnt. So just keep it on medium high so that it will cook on all sides. It cooks very well. So as that is cooking one side, I'll take another roll, small roll of it. It's all in your hand. Some people take plain wheat flour and then make a roll. They make a chapati and in that they put that stuffing of potato mash and then close it and again make it. That is another way also, but this way is also easier. So whichever way you want to do, you can do. But for me this is much easier and within no time I can make more. Suppose if there are also many people to have, so it's easy. See, you can see this. See, you can see this. It's cooked. It should be cooked. Main thing, it should be cooked. Then you put little oil, not much oil. Little oil on this at the sides. Why I'm putting first at the sides? So that all the rims, they just will get cooked evenly. And then you put on the top. Sides is must. And also on the top like this. And after 2 minutes, you flip it around. And again put on the sides. So that this extra cooking will be done and there will be no rawness of the wheat flour. Your chapati should be cooked good. Already the potato is mashed, cooked and mashed. So that's no problem. But your chapati also should cook. The wheat flour also should be cooked. So this is the way on medium fire. Like this you have to cook it nicely. On all sides just a little bit press, not much of pressure. And in the center also. So this is done. Now that is done. In between, in meanwhile I already got another ready. I rolled out with a good rolling pin, plain rolling pin, no design, nothing, simple. I rolled it into a chapati and the next one. So by the time that is getting cooked, without wasting any time, you can make another roll and make another chapati. Usually when you make this way, you can make any amount. Like in one shot, in so much of dough, you can make around 20-25. You can make chapatis. Usually we make that much amount because we get people come, we have at home different people coming, different types of chapatis also we make. So this is one of the simple ones I showed you. Then I'll later on also in our upcoming videos, God willing, I'll show you the other parathas also. See, I put little oil at the sides, not much oil. In parathas you should have little oil if you are very conscious about your health and all that. Non-stick tawa also you can make, but little oil should be there. Body requires little oil, not much. I'm not putting much of oil, just for the paratha to cook on all sides evenly. Not much of oil required. But then when you have this, have a good breakfast or have a good snack, sumptuous for you, for your family, for your children and loved ones, all the members of the family, and you have to serve it hot, then only there is good flavors, taste will be, you can understand the taste and it has good flavors, so you can enjoy having it. So all the sides are cooked, you can see all the sides are nice brown, cooked, center, all the sides should be cooked, so that is important. Nothing should be raw. So this is one. So other one also is ready. Usually different types of parathas we make. So like this I showed you a very simple one which is called aloo paratha or potato chapati. And then we will make in different vegetables and non-veg. I will show you later on, God willing, in other videos. So this is one of the simple one which I am showing you. You can have this with sauce, or as I told you before, you can have a pickle or with curd or with nice hot tea. By the time that is cooking, I'll make another one. It's very easy. If you don't get a round shape, don't worry about the shapes, because in the beginning I also used to not get the round shape. As you practice, once you practice. There's an old saying, practice makes, when you practice it, then you can make perfect. You can be perfect. So as you practice, you will get the round shape. And if it is not also, don't worry. You have to just see that your paratha is cooked. At the same time, you have to see that your other paratha also is ready. See, all the sides should be cooked. You have 2-3 times you have to flip up the chapati so that it will be cooked, so that all the sides will be cooked evenly. So you can see how nice color the paratha is. See, all the sides are cooked. You can just, not much of pressing, not too much of pressing, little bit of pressing, gentle pressing, so that all the sides will be cooked evenly. So this is one of the snacks which I was wanting to show you all. Easiest way. Hope you would like this video. Please do like this video, and if you like it, please comment on this also for my betterment, and also subscribe and share it.